Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of office wear, specifically, how to fix those common tailoring mistakes that can really throw off your look. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, knowing how to spot and fix these issues can save you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. So, let's get started. First up, we have the ill-fitting blazer. A blazer is a cornerstone of any office wardrobe, but it's easy to get it wrong. The most common mistake? The shoulders. They should sit smoothly, without any bunching or pulling. If the shoulders are too big, the blazer will look boxy. Too small, and you'll feel restricted. Fixing this often involves taking in or letting out the shoulder seams. A job best left to a tailor. Next, check the sleeves. They should end about half an inch beyond your wrist bone, showcasing a bit of your shirt cuff. Sleeves that are too long can be shortened, and if they're too tight, the tailor can let them out. Moving on to trousers, a good fit is crucial. The waist should sit comfortably without digging in. If your trousers are too tight, they might be able to be let out at the waist. Too loose? They can be taken in. The length of your trousers is also key. For a classic look, your trousers should lightly break over your shoes, with a slight crease in the front. Too long, and they'll bunch up, looking sloppy. Too short, and you'll risk looking like you're about to go surfing. Hemming is a simple fix for both these issues. Remember to consider the type of shoe you'll be wearing when deciding on the hem. Now, let's talk about shirts. A well-fitted shirt can make a huge difference. The collar should fit comfortably around your neck, allowing room for a finger or two. If it's too tight, it'll be uncomfortable. Too loose, and it'll look sloppy. The sleeves should be the right length, and the shirt should fit well around your torso. Adjusting a shirt can be more complex, but a tailor can usually make the necessary adjustments. Another common issue is the fit of skirts and dresses. The waist should sit at your natural waist, and the garment should skim your body without pulling or bunching. Length is also important. For most office environments, a skirt or dress should hit at or just below the knee. Tailors can adjust the waist, hips, and length of skirts and dresses to achieve the perfect fit. Finally, let's not forget about minor adjustments. Loose buttons, a frayed hem, or a small tear can easily be fixed at home or by a tailor. These small details can make a big difference in your overall appearance. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to fixing common tailoring mistakes in office wear. Remember, a well-fitted outfit not only looks great, but also boosts your confidence. Don't be afraid to take your clothes to a tailor. It's an investment in your appearance that's well worth the cost. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.